Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix can't connect to this network error on Windows. There have been reports from Windows users getting a network error that says can't connect to this network. The error message basically describes what the problem is all about. If you are unable to connect to a network, not to worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will discuss troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix network-related issues on your Windows PC. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, restart router. This is probably the easiest and simple solution, and it involves power cycling your router. Most of the time, this solution works. All you have to do is to unplug the router from electric source. Then, after 10 seconds, plug router again. While waiting for router to boot up, you may also want to restart your computer. Now, when router and computer completely reboots, check if you are now connected to the network. Second solution, run Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Running Network Adapter Troubleshooter is another solution to fix network and connection-related issues you may be experiencing on your computer. The troubleshooter feature detects problems and suggests fix if there are problems found. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Runbox. Then type Control Panel at Control Panel window. Make sure View by is set to large or small icons. Next, click Troubleshooting. Click Hardware and Sound. Then click Network Adapter. Click Next. Select which network adapter you want to diagnose, then click Next. Windows will now detect problems. After troubleshooting is complete and it could not identify any problem, click Close to exit. If there are problems found, follow the on-screen instructions. Check if you are now connected to the network. Third solution, reinstall Network Adapter Driver. A corrupt or outdated network adapter driver could cause network and internet-related problems. To fix this, reinstall Network Adapter Driver. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then click Network Adapter to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for uninstall process to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, drivers will automatically install. Now check if you can already connect to the internet. Fourth solution, create a restore point. If none of the mentioned solutions were able to fix can't connect to network error, you can create a restore point by restoring the point before the computer started experiencing the issue. To do this, type restore point at the search bar and then click on the Create a Restore Point result. If you haven't created a restore point yet, create a new one by simply clicking on Create tab. Then you can choose your own description of the restore point. For instance, I'll choose Restore April 5th, then click Create. Next, click on the option System Restore. Then click Next. Then choose from the restore point you just created and then click Next. Click Finish tab and then follow on-screen instructions, which I will no longer be showing here. Now check if you can already connect to the internet. Fifth solution, enable TCP/IPv6, enabling Internet Protocol. Version 6 is another workaround solution that you can do to fix this problem. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard at Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Then right-click on your network and then select Properties. At Properties window, check the option Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6, click OK to confirm. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, now check if you can already connect to the internet. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.